In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove numbers from text in Google Sheets. Whether you're cleaning up your data or simply need to strip out those pesky numbers, this technique will help you do it with ease. We'll be using a powerful function called REGEXREPLACE, which is perfect for tasks like these. This method is simple, efficient, and once you've learned it, you'll find countless ways to apply it in your Google Sheets projects. So, let's dive in and explore how to achieve this. To start, you'll need to have your Google Sheet open and ready. Find the cell where you want to remove the numbers. This will be your target cell for the function. The magic of the REGEXREPLACE function lies in its ability to replace specific parts of your text based on regular expressions. Now let's break down the syntax and use of this function. REGEXREPLACE consists of three main parameters, which are essential for tailoring it to your needs. These parameters are the text or reference cell, the regular expression, and finally, the replacement text. First, you'll need to reference the cell containing the text you want to modify. Once you have your cell selected, type out the function as follows: =REGEXREPLACES, followed by an open parenthesis. Within these parentheses, the first step is to reference the cell. Simply type the cell reference here. If your text is in cell A1, you would enter A1, now, comma, and you're ready to input your regular expression. So what exactly is a regular expression in this context? Here it's a special pattern that defines what you want to remove or replace. To focus only on numbers, you'll use a combination that matches every digit. Type a quotation mark, then a backslash, and the letter D in lowercase, followed by another quotation mark. This is your regular expression. It tells Google Sheets to find all the digits within your text. Finally, let's specify what you want to replace the numbers with. In our case, since we're aiming to remove them entirely, leave this part empty. You do this by adding another comma after your regular expression and just closing the parenthesis without typing anything between the comma and the parenthesis. This absence indicates that you want to replace each number with nothing, effectively removing them, and there you have it. Once you've closed that parenthesis and hit enter, Google Sheets will process your function and remove all the numbers from your target cell's text. It's a straightforward and effective way to clean up your data, ensuring you have a neat and number-free text. If you follow these steps, you'll find that removing numbers with Google Sheets is not only possible, but incredibly simple. Keep this method in your toolkit for future projects, and you'll be able to tackle any similar task with confidence.